How to accept credit card payments on Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which is going to load up my Squarespace website. And from the left hand side, we want to click on settings here at the bottom. Then you want to go to selling, which is the third option. And you will see the option for payments right here in the second slot. If we select it, it's going to look like this. Add ways to receive payments. Once you connect a payment processor, customers can check out in your store. Now you will see this option for Stripe here. Connect Stripe to let customers pay with all major credit cards, Apple Pay and Afterpay/ClearPay. If we click on it, it will open up a new page where we have to log in with our Stripe account. If we don't have a Stripe account, we will need to create one here. And then it will ask us for authentication through this page, and if we write our account information here, then it will successfully connect Stripe to Squarespace, and that way people will be able to use credit card to pay us. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.